Welcome back, team. Today we're going to learn about the cogs inside your Xylocyte website builder. A cog is like a little gear or settings button that helps you change or adjust things on your website. When you see a cog icon, it looks like a small gear. It means you can customize something. Let's dive in and see how it works. What does a cog do? Cogs are super important because they let you change how things look. Want to change the color of a button or the size of your text? Click the cog and a menu will pop up where you can make these changes. Customize parts of your website. You can use cogs to adjust buttons, pictures, or text to look exactly how you want. Each item on your website will have its own cog, so you can control how it looks and works. Cogs. Customize parts of your website. You can use cogs to adjust buttons, pictures, or text to look exactly how you want. Each item on your website will have its own cog, so you can control how it looks and works. Cogs. You'll see here are the main big cog on the right. Here's what it can do too. Drag and drop blocks. Move blocks around your website by dragging and dropping them into place. Reset. Undo changes and bring an item back to its original design. Delete. If you don't need something, click the cog and select Delete to remove it. Now it's your turn. Let's practice using the cogs. Experiment with resetting or deleting items you don't need. Your time starts now. Let's see how creative you can be. What is a grid? Let's make it simple. Imagine your website is like a page full of content, text, pictures, buttons, and more. Now, think of a grid as a table or a checkerboard made of little boxes called cells. These cells are super helpful because they keep everything neat and organized. Why use a grid when you're building your website? A grid helps you line things up. It makes sure your text, images, and buttons are neatly arranged. Even spacing. Everything is evenly spaced so your page doesn't look messy. Rows and columns. A grid creates rows, horizontal lines, and columns, vertical lines to organize your content perfectly. How does it work? Think of the grid as a guide. The grid doesn't show up when people visit your site. It's just a tool to help you while you're designing. Place content in cells. Each text box, picture, or button fits into one or more cells. Move them around to see how they line up neatly in rows and columns. Let's connect pages on your website. Did you know that most websites have multiple pages? Think about a home page, an about page, or a contact us page. On Xylocyte, you can create and organize these pages easily. Let me show you how to do it step by step. Step 1, find the Pages section. Look on the left side of your screen. Find the section called Pages and click on it. Step 2, add a new page. Plus, once you're in the Pages section, click Add Page. A new page will be created for your website. Step 3, name your page. Next, press the green button with a pen icon on the left and give your page a name like Home, About, or Contact Us. This will help you organize your website and let visitors find what they need. Step 4, add blocks to your page. Now it's time to design your page. Go to the blocks library on the left side. Drag and drop blocks like text, images, or buttons onto your new page. Arrange them however you like to make your page look awesome. Step 5, press save. Make sure you press save, otherwise you will lose all your hard work. Step 6, delete page. Lastly, how to delete a page. Press on the red button with the X icon on it. Once you delete the page, it will be gone forever. What are pop-ups? Let's learn. A pop-up is a small window that suddenly appears or pops up on top of a web page. Think of it as a little surprise box on your website that gives visitors extra information. Step by step. Go to the left. Click Pop-up under Pages. Pick your pop-up. Once you have picked which pop-up you want to use, it says drag and drop pop-up here. Choose the type of pop-up. In the top of the screen, you see a little blue button that will give you the options to pick between entry pop-up, exit pop-up, regular pop-up. Decide if you want an entry pop-up, exit pop-up, or a regular pop-up. Add your message type in what you want your pop-up to say. Example, subscribe now and get 20% off. Customize the look. Change the pop-up's colors, fonts, and size to match your website style. Save your work. Always click Save so your pop-up works properly. Exercise, your turn. Now it's time for the class to create their own pop-ups. Think about what message you want to share and try these steps. Add an entry pop-up to greet visitors. Add an exit pop-up to keep them engaged before they leave. Experiment with a regular pop-up to highlight something special. What is a preview page? Let's learn. A preview page is a tool in your website builder that lets you see how your website will look and work before it goes live on the internet. How to use the preview page tool. Find the preview option in the top right next to save. Check your website. Look at the layout. Does everything fit nicely? Check the text. Is it easy to read? If you want to see another page, go to that page like you're going to edit it. Then press preview. Do this for each page you want to look at. Go back to edit. If you notice anything that needs fixing, return to the editor to make changes. Congratulations on completing week 1. Well done, team. You've made an amazing start to your journey in website building. You should feel so proud of what you've achieved this week. What's next? From here, we're going to pick up the pace. We'll fill your mind with new skills, advanced website building techniques, business knowledge, how to use your skills to help others and grow your opportunities. This is a big opportunity, and you should grab it with both hands. Your weekend mission. As you head into the weekend, here's a simple task to help you prepare for success. Talk to shopkeepers and business owners. Find people in your community who own businesses. Ask them this question: when was the last time you updated your website? If they say they don't have a website, let them know you're in the middle of a website building course. Tell them that in a few weeks, you'll have the skills to help them create an amazing website. That's it. It's a simple conversation that can turn into an opportunity for you later. Why this matters. Completing this course could change your life for the better. You're learning skills that will help you start your own business, help others grow theirs, build a pathway to success. But first, you must finish the course. Push forward with all your might. You're already on the road to greatness. Enjoy your weekend. Walk proud this weekend, knowing you've taken the first steps towards success. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you back here on Monday for another exciting week of learning. You're doing amazing. Keep going. Blast off.